Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aika. I make a lot of different fashion related videos, so if you're interested, if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be super happy to have you back here with us. So guys, today is such a special day. It's the day I've been waiting for about 2 years, ever since I got myself on a wait list. And from the title, you probably know what I'm talking about. Today I'm finally getting the bag of my dreams from Hermes. I am so excited. My essay is waiting for me. It's a little bit later already. I think it's about, yeah, it's 3:40 p.m. and I was gonna go a lot earlier, but my husband had a friend over last night and he stayed with us until 1 a.m. so we went to bed pretty late and I woke up at like 11. I really want to get better at this and start waking up at like 7 or 8 a.m. but it's very difficult when you just stay up all night, you know. I'm pretty much ready to go. The weather is so nasty. I really wanted to dress up today, you know, so I look flawless when I go and get my bag, but you know, today is one of the worst days we had in the whole entire winter. It's like 3 degrees and I can't remember the day this winter when it was 3 degrees. I think it's like almost the minimum we've had so far, and it was snowing for the second time, but it was snowing during the day, like I mean in the morning, because the first time it snowed in Geneva it was like at night. That didn't really count, but today it's been snowing since like pretty much the time I woke up, 11. That's why I am still at home. I just don't want to get out of the house because it is so freezing outside, but I'm so excited and I've decided to take you guys along with me. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film in the store, but I mean, last night when I went there was nobody else except for me and 2 other ladies on the floor, you know, no essays, nobody. I was on the first floor and I guess everybody was just somewhere else, so I could film freely, like nobody cared. Nobody told me a thing about filming. I'm still not sure how it's gonna go. If I'll be able to film in the store, then I'll make 2 separate videos, like the one you're watching right now, the Hermes vlog, and then I'll do a separate video with the unboxing of my new bag. And I have to tell you the craziest story behind me getting the bag. And trust me, when I say the craziest, I mean it. You have never heard anything like this before. I watched every single video on YouTube about how to get an Hermes bag, how to get like a Birkin, a Kelly or a Constant, and never have I heard something like this. Maybe you'll be able to do the same thing and get your dream bag a lot sooner. So anyway guys, with that said, I'm gonna go finish getting ready. I'm not sure what I'll wear today. Anyway, let's go guys. So I am ready to go. I think I figured out what I'm gonna wear. So I have this turtleneck in the beautiful like caramel light beige color. Then I've got my Max Mara coat because it's freezing outside, and I also put on my Max Mara white flared jeans, flared pants that I actually showed on my last video. So if you haven't watched it, it's all about my entire designer ready-to-wear collection. Make sure to check it out. I'm gonna leave a link up here, also in the description box down below, so make sure to watch it. This is the first time I'm wearing the pants. They're so beautiful and so comfy. So I'm going because my essay is actually leaving in an hour, so I don't have much time, so I better get going now. So cold. So guys, here is the outfit and I'm wearing the Max Mara pants. So he's bringing the bag right now. I'm so excited to see it. Are you excited? Okay, my husband is filming me, which is so nice of him. We're in the men's section, probably because there is less people in here. I'm waiting for the bag right now, the moment of truth. I'm so excited. Finally. We scored the bag. Guys, we just arrived back home and my baby is also here with me. I still can't believe I got it because it feels surreal and it doesn't feel like a reality at all. Probably because it's been so freaking long, and you know, even when I put myself on a list, I would never expect this to happen. Owning this bag was something so unreal for me. It was like, I don't know, me traveling to Mars for example, like something so unattainable in a sense, but you know, I put it on my mood board 2 years ago, like mood board, dream board, whatever you call it, and like I'm looking at it right now, it's right there, and I can't believe it happened. Oh my god. I know I exaggerate things a little bit, and for someone it is a regular thing to just go to Hermes and pick up like a bag like a Kelly or a Birkin or a Constance. It's like a normal thing for them, but for me it's something like, wow, I'm still not used to it. And honestly, I would never think that I'll be able to get this bag, at least not now, I guess, because it's been 2 years, you know, and I just got used to going there every time, asking for it over and over again, and then get the same answer. No, sorry, we don't have it. No, sorry, we don't have it. No, sorry, we'll contact you once we have it. So yes, I'm so happy, and I honestly can't wait to show you what I got. I'll do a proper sit-down video and I will show you which bag it is, but it is beautiful. Like, the color is absolutely stunning. I never thought I'd get this particular color, but honestly, no regrets. It's so beautiful. Oh, and by the way, I was gonna film in the store. I wanted to show you around. I wanted to show you the colors that they currently have in the collection, but unfortunately when I asked the SA if I could film, he said no, sorry. And I'm like, can I at least film my bag, because I'm buying it, like it's gonna be mine. What's the problem? And he's like, no, you're not allowed to film inside the store, which is so stupid. I mean, there was nothing around us, and the previous SA that showed me the bag yesterday, she actually allowed me to film on my phone, so I don't understand what the problem is with me filming the bag that I'm buying. That's just a little bit stupid, but unfortunately I wasn't able to film everything like what they had because it's just forbidden. So I'm really sorry guys, but it is what it is. I tried. I really did try.